how to make millions of dollars off of compound interest. So how do we leverage this in order for you to make tons of money off of the power of compound interest? With $0 today, I'm going to show you how you're going to make $1,000,000. Your annual addition, let's just say it's $500 a month, 30 years old, and you want to retire when you're 65, that's going to be 30 years. Like I said, with dividends reinvested in the S&P 500, you can reliably, with a long-term investment, get 10.2%. Just like that, you've got $1.8 million. But what I want to show you to even go beyond, what if we had actually started when we were 20 instead of 30? 1.8 million when we were 30. We could have made 5 million if we had started 20 years old. Important it is to start early to allow our money to start making money for us. So the first thing that you need to know, linear savings looks like that. Compound interest looks like that. If you put money into the S&P 500, you're going to make a huge return. You need time for that money to start compounding. There's no way for you to go back in time and grow that. It's a cool chart that I found, but if you start at age 22 and you can see your deposits in yellow, by the time you're age 62, you're going to have $1 million. So how does this work? Think of it as a factory. You have a $100 principal, and then a year later, say you make 50% interest off of that, you have another $50. Well, that $50 makes interest. So 50% of that 50 is 25. It adds and it adds and it adds, grows exponentially. So say you have a $1,000 principal and you made roughly 5% on that, which is $50 a year. The next year you'd have $1,050, but then you'd make another $5,250 on top of that as interest, and it grows. Here's the formula. You have a principal amount, interest rate, and you divide that by the number of times it's compounded per year. Typically we just say 1. Yeah, it's the same number here as n, and then how many years. With no interest in the red line, you're not going to make much money over time. A very conservative investment in the stock market is going to pay 6%. Proven over the last 50 years, if you put money in a spider index following the S&P 500, you're going to make roughly 10.2% with dividends reinvested. Important it is to start early to allow our money to start making money for us.